Slowly getting this thing wired up. Figured it'd be much easier to run the wires before I put the tubes in, so I got pretty much everything going. Just have a few more items to take care of. Hopefully we can get this guy filled up tonight. I have the EK water block leak tester, so I'm going to rely on air to prove that this thing is sealed. And I'm going to fill them up and go for it. I'm going to wire all of my fans to one hub. I have a temperature sensor in here, so all the fans will be controlled by this temperature right here of the water. So we're going to base our fan speed on the temperature of the water. So one fan hub should do. Once I plug that guy in, and we have one speed control in the ASUS Expert software, so we'll basically modulate that one fan curve based on the temperature of the water, and all the fans should just rotate at the same speed. Hopefully it works out.